this channel, you are history, just 3 months old, 6 videos uploaded, one already has 1.1 million views. And based on public estimates, channels in this space are reportedly bringing in thousands of dollars a month. And here's the part that shocked me. Not a single frame is real. It's 100% AI, and the entire pipeline can be rebuilt with just 2 Google tools, NotebookLM and Google Flow. I built one in about an hour, and it cost me almost $0 to make. Here's a small section from it.
You are an outsider, a minor noble from an island who barely speaks French without a weird accent. Yet you are about to become the most feared man in all of Europe. We all know standard history classes put you to sleep, but not today. Forget reading out of a dusty textbook. We are putting you right in the shoes of historical figures.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get set up, how to make these on repeat, and the full workflow from start to finish. Because if these channels are reportedly making thousands a month and the videos cost a few dollars to produce, that math is worth seeing for yourself. One thing before we dive in, I'm not promising you anything here. This is a workflow video. I'm showing you how to recreate this video format from scratch using AI. So first, let's set up with NotebookLM. So the 2 tools we're using are completely free to start. You'll need a Google account, that's it. And we'll set them up one at a time, exactly when we need them. First up, NotebookLM. Go to Google and type NotebookLM. Choose the first option which comes and sign in with your Google account. NotebookLM has a free tier, which is plenty for what we're doing today. We're going to do the entire brainwork side of this build inside NotebookLM first. Research, titles, script, style, scenes, even the thumbnail prompt. Then we'll open Google Flow and set it up when we get there. Let's get to it. All right, let me walk you through this. Once you come into NotebookLM, it's empty. So go ahead and click Create New. A brand new notebook opens. Now this is a move that does 90% of the work for you, because instead of guessing what works, you're letting AI absorb a proven pattern. Go ahead and click Add Sources. We're studying one specific channel today, so drop the You Are History channel link straight in and click Insert. It's going to go ahead and research every single thing about that channel. We will wait for it to finish. Done. As you can see, it read the whole channel. Now in the chat, drop in this prompt. Here's the real takeaway. It just decoded the channel. Second person POV format, 10 to 12 minute episodes, first person immersion, historical figure as the protagonist, cinematic detail. That's the formula. And we didn't have to research a single thing ourselves. And let me be really clear about what's happening here, because I know the question, are we copying their videos? No, we are not. NotebookLM is extracting the format and the pattern, the structure, the pacing, the kind of story arc that works. The actual idea, the historical figure, the script, every scene, every line of dialogue, all of it gets generated entirely new. Different person, different story, same proven format. That's not copying. That's how every creator who's ever studied another creator has gotten better. We're just doing it with AI now. Now, titles and script. We're going to ask NotebookLM to apply that format to a brand new historical figure. Now, if you already have an idea of what you want to make, you can just drop it in here. And if you don't, go ahead and drop in this prompt. It'll give you the ideas. Let's see what happens. And there it is. 5 options. Each follows the channel's pattern. I'll go with option 1. Now, one honest note, these episodes are normally 10 to 12 minutes long. For this tutorial, I'm asking for a 1-minute version so that you can see the entire workflow start to finish without sitting here for an hour. In a real build, you'd keep the full length. Here's the script prompt. So I am replacing chosen title with 1 while dropping it in the prompt so it knows the topic I selected. Look at what it just did. It opened on a hook, it carried the POV voice the whole way, and it split the script into a visual column and a narrator column. So we've got everything ready in one place. Now, this is where most AI faceless videos fall apart. Every scene looks like a different character. in a different style. So before we generate a single prompt, we lock the look. The style is what makes your channel feel like a channel, not a pile of random clips. Now, this is the most important thing to do before locking in the style. I am going to upload a reference image into the source so it understands the style we want. So click on Add Sources, select Upload Files, and then select the image for reference. This is the image I chose. Now drop in this prompt. Lock the reference image I attached as a reference style. It is a chibi 2D cartoon animation. As you can see, the style is locked. If you want a different look, comic book, anime, watercolor, you just describe it here instead. Same chat. Now the scene breakdown. We're building this in Google Flow, and Flow works in 8-second clips. So we ask for the script broken into 8-second scenes, character reference sheet, image prompt, and video prompt for each one in that exact order. If you want the exact prompts that I am using today, just comment notebook. Alright, let's drop this prompt in the chat box. There it is. It gave us a character reference prompt and divided this into 8 scenes. And each scene has its image prompt first, video prompt second. The order matters, image first, video second, because we're going to make the still image first, then use that image as the reference for the moving clip. That's what gives you the same character across every scene. And the last thing we'll grab from NotebookLM is the thumbnail. Go ahead and click on the chat and ask it for a thumbnail image prompt too. Now we have all text assets in a single chat. Alright, let's move to the next step. Now that all the brain work is done in NotebookLM, this is where we set up the second tool. Type Google Flow in a new tab and go ahead and click the first result. Once you click on that, you will see an interface like this. Now go ahead and click New Project. Once you come into the platform, on the side you've got all media, images, characters, scenes, and tools. At the bottom center is the chat box. Now, before we generate a single scene, we have to do this one thing. Click on the plus icon, go to Upload Media, and upload the same reference image you locked inside NotebookLM. We will use that image to generate our character reference image. Rename it reference so it's easy to grab. Now, here's why this matters. Left on its own, the prompt drifts. Flow starts inventing its own faces and its own style. But when you hand it the reference's image directly, it has something to hold on to. That's how the look stays identical, scene after scene. Remember that character reference prompt NotebookLM wrote? The very first one before the scenes? Copy it, drop it into the chat box, and attach your uploaded reference image. Then add one line at the end. Use the attached image as a style reference only. That line matters. It tells Flow to borrow the style, not copy the scene. Oma settings. Set it to image 16:9 and choose Nano Banana Pro, the best image model Google has right now for consistent characters. Generate. And the character looks similar to our reference image with a different outfit and more details. Now, I want to be specific about one thing. The reference image you dropped in NotebookLM, the tool is going to build a script around it, which is why a few scenes might look similar to the image you uploaded. That is why the reference image is looking similar. For this build, it looks fine. Now, this is the face that has to stay identical across every scene. Everything we build from here points to this. Quick note, I'm on the pro version of Flow here, but you can use the free tier as well. Just fewer credits, but they work. We convert the prompts into images, one scene at a time. Drop in scene 1's image prompt, the one NotebookLM gave us, and attach the character we just locked. Then settings, image 16:9. I'm generating one image. You can do more. Nano Banana Pro. Hit generate. It generated a perfect image. I have created a few scenes already. Let's go ahead and turn those into video. Alright, the next step is to turn those images into video. This is the part that keeps your character consistent. Drop in your scene 1 video prompt and attach the scene 1 image as a reference. Now change the settings to video and now make sure you are on ingredients. because Flow animates that exact character instead of inventing a new one. And choose 16 by 9 and hit generate. And there's the clip. Let's take a look. Pretty much spot on. The only thing with Flow is that it generates 8-second clips, but we already planned for that because every scene was written as 8 seconds. Now scene 2, same way. Drop the scene 2 image into ingredients, pasted the video prompt, video 16 by 9, 1 clip, generate. Let's see what happens. What I want to check is whether the character morphs between clips or not. Consistent, same character, different moment. So you just go ahead and generate all your clips this way. Now the next step is audio. I'm using ElevenLabs for the audio. Now NotebookLM also has its own audio feature, but it's built for podcast style audio, so it doesn't really do narration. ElevenLabs free version gives the best output. Once you come into ElevenLabs, go to text to speech. You get free credits to start before it moves to a paid plan, and the free tier is enough to test with. Go ahead and click on the text box and paste in the narration NotebookLM wrote for us. Then pick your voice. You can preview any of them right here. I'm going with George, then hit generate speech. We will wait for it to finish, and it gave us 2 takes. Let me listen. I like the second one more, so go ahead and click download. Now we put everything together. For stitching everything, I'm using CapCut. Once you come into CapCut, import all your clips, then drop them onto the track in scene order 1 through 8. Then drop your ElevenLabs voiceover onto the audio track underneath and line each clip up to its line of narration. And that's it. Let me play it back.
You are an outsider, a minor noble from an island who barely speaks French without a weird accent. Yet you are about to become the most feared man in all of Europe. We all know standard history classes put you to sleep, but not today. Forget reading out of a dusty textbook. We are putting you right in the shoes of historical figures, so you can experience history like never before. You don't play by the rules. While other generals sleep through the night, you command massive empires surviving on bizarre 20-minute power naps between artillery barrages. But despite conquering most of the known world, your most humiliating retreat won't be from the freezing Russian winter. It will be from a massive horde of domestic tame rabbits that swarm your carriage during a botched hunting trip. You are brilliant, relentless, and a little bit bizarre. Grab your sword, Emperor. It's time to conquer.
As you can see, it's consistent the whole way through. The whole 1-minute clip is right there. Now this is the last step, this thumbnail. Remember that thumbnail prompt NotebookLM wrote for us? We return to Google Flow to make it. Go ahead and click on the image, paste that thumbnail prompt in. And here's the trick. Attach one of your generated character images as a reference so Flow knows exactly who it's drawing. I am attaching this image. Now quickly change the settings, then generate. We will wait for it to finish, and there it is. That's a perfect thumbnail for the channel. Go ahead and download. From here, you can drop it into Canva to change anything if you want. And that's the whole thing done. Now let's talk about what this actually costs. NotebookLM, free tier covered everything we did today. ElevenLabs, the voiceover ran on free credits, CapCut, free, and Google Flow. One image cost me about 20 credits. I generated 9 images, including the thumbnail image for this build. I'm on the pro version, but even on the free tier, it runs perfectly fine, just with fewer credits. So practically almost $0 to produce a full POV history episode. And I've tested over 30 different AI Faceless video stacks, running channels on the side for the last 4 years, around a full-time job and raising kids. This is the cheapest, fastest, most repeatable version I've ever found. I built mine on the side, the same way you will. That's the full workflow. NotebookLM does the brain work. Google Flow does the visuals. ElevenLabs does the voice. CapCut puts it together. Titles, script, style, reference images, video clips, voiceover, thumbnail, all in about an hour for your first one and roughly 25 minutes for every one after that. If you're building this seriously, not just experimenting, the full Faceless system I run across multiple channels lives inside Accelerate, my membership program, where we go a lot deeper than I can in a video. The link's in the description if you want to check it out. Now, I'm going to play the entire demo video I made using only this workflow. Watch it all the way through. You'll see how the format works in practice, and you'll have a model for the one you build next. See you on the next one.